Amelia, 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 Amelia.
She's going for it, man.
I know a girl.
She's going for it. Who's that? Whose finger are you chewing on? Who's teething?
Eat finger.
Who's teething?
Now it doesn't have sound too, does it?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out when I download it.
Guess it better not say anything obscene.
What's that? What are you eating? Somebody's teething. Is that Grandma's? Is that Grandma's? It doesn't taste very good, huh? It tastes good on your lips, huh? Good on your gums? Someone's teething. Can I have my finger back? Can I have my finger back? Can I, huh? Can I, huh? Can I? Can I have my finger back? Can I have my finger back? Oh, you're too funny.